On May 7, 2022, Tyler ISD voters approved a bond package that included the construction of the new Hubbard Middle School. Contracts were executed in June and construction commenced in July. Excavation and grading took place in August, followed by underground utilities and structural building foundations in September. Rammed aggregate piers were installed and a site retaining wall for the new courtyard was constructed. November began what we affectionately call the mud season, but construction crews were able to continue construction of the building foundations and start the vertical construction sequence with large cast-in-place concrete retaining walls and CMU block walls that will ultimately create the food service and cafeteria area. In December, we saw additional vertical construction with the commencement of structural steel framework, creating the 3-story academic wing. Structural steel continued in January, followed by the placement of the concrete slabs on deck for the 2nd and 3rd stories. Interior and exterior metal stud framing began, roof decking was started, and mechanical, electrical, and plumbing trades began. Exterior sheathing and roofing began in March. The next major area of construction will be the 2 gyms on top of the hill where you see the major concrete retaining wall. Because of your approval, board, we were able to have a shovel-ready project that could rapidly proceed. In closing, the Tyler ISD Facility Services team is proud to report the on-time and within budget status of the Hubbard Middle School project.